Hello and welcome. Get ready to discover a hidden gem from South India, Guthi Vankaya Kura or stuffed eggplant curry. These tender eggplants are stuffed with a spiced peanut coconut filling, then simmered in a tangy aromatic gravy until perfectly soft and bursting with flavor. It's rich, comforting, and packed with bold textures. A true taste of Andhra cuisine. Whether you are new to Indian food or already a fan, this one's a must try. Let's get cooking. First, we need to dry roast few ingredients. Chana dal, urad dal, peanuts, clove, cardamom, coriander seeds, cinnamon, cumin seeds. Toast until fragrant over medium flame until the peanuts and other spices are golden. At the end, add fenugreek seeds or methi dana. The spice mix is nicely roasted, remove and let it cool. Now in the same kadai, add some coconut chunks along with garlic and ginger. Add a bit of tamarind as well. Dry roast. Add red chilies, coriander. Adding coriander leaves here is optional. Remove and keep it aside. Grind the spice mix along with some salt. You can grind half portion coarsely and the other half smooth. Add water as required. We are going to use this to stuff our eggplants or brinjals. Our stuffing is ready. For this preparation, I am using black brinjals. Wash and pat dry. Make an X cut from the top. Don't slice all the way down. Keep the stalk intact. Now stuff each brinjal gently with the paste mixture that we had prepared earlier. Stuff it gently and make sure the brinjal or the eggplant can hold the stuffing together. Our stuffed eggplants are ready. I am using pressure cooker to prepare this curry. We can also do it in an open pot. Now after the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, curry leaves, a little bit of methi dana, green chilies, chopped onions and chopped tomatoes. Saute nicely. Add turmeric, gently add stuffed brinjals. Coat them in the masala for 2 to 3 minutes. The leftover stuffing that we have after stuffing the brinjals, you need to add some water to that and add it to this mixture. It smells amazing at this stage once you add that stuffing masala. Stir once so that the pieces are nicely coated with the gravy and the sauce. Adjust the salt. Cover and pressure cook for about 5 minutes if it is an electric one, or if it is a normal stove top pressure cooker for 1 whistle. Let the pressure release. And just look at that, the brinjals are perfectly tender, soaking in that rich aromatic gravy. You can smell the roasted spices, the tang of tamarind, and that deep nutty warmth from the peanut coconut filling. This is comfort food at its finest. And guess what? We are not yet done. Want to take this dish to the next level? Try it with Gummadi Vadiyalu, crisp sun-dried fritters made from pumpkin and rice flour. These crunchy bites add the perfect contrast to the rich, creamy eggplant curry. Together, they create a harmony of textures that's comforting, rustic, and full of character. A true South Indian soul food combo you don't want to miss. There you have it, Guthi Vankaya Kura, a bold and flavorful eggplant curry straight from South India's heartland. Serve it hot with rice or flatbread and let the flavors speak for themselves. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious dishes from around the world. Thanks so much for watching till the end and happy cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe once again. Thanks.